go. Hello everyone, this is SBR Forum's Madness in March. I'm Jeff Grant, and we're going to take a look at two potential upsets that could occur in the round of 16. Let's take a look first at the Arizona Wildcats versus the Ohio State Buckeyes. And Arizona should be familiar with the surroundings in Los Angeles, given the fact that the venue will be the Staples Center, the previous venue of the Pac-12 Conference Tournament that just switched to Las Vegas just this season. Also, 12-3 straight up combined when playing in Salt Lake or Los Angeles as a region in the NCAA tournament. Of course, they picked up second and third round victories in Salt Lake City. 13-7 straight up when playing in the state of California in NCAA tournament play. Not very far going from Arizona to the West Coast, of course. 71-44 ATS, their last 115 games as an underdog. One of my favorite angles in college basketball handicapping is playing a program that predominantly plays as a favorite and then switches over to the underdog role that first time. I always usually lean toward taking the points in that situation. And also, head coach Sean Miller of the Arizona Wildcats should be very familiar with what Ohio State is going to bring to the table due to the fact that he coached alongside Tad Matta earlier in his career. The other game that I want to look at is Michigan Wolverines versus the Kansas Jayhawks. Yes, Kansas is just a very slight favorite in this one, but I kind of like looking at the Michigan Wolverines given the fact that 4 Big Ten teams have reached the Sweet 16 round, so they have cemented the fact that the Big Ten was the best conference in America this year. Kansas, the lone Big 12 conference squad that made it to the Sweet 16. Coach John Beilein has had pretty good success in postseason play, 25-14 overall. That includes a 10-7 mark in NCAA tournament action, picking up wins over VCU and South Dakota State as 3.5 and 11.5 point favorites respectively in their first 2 games in the 2013 NCAA tournament. And they shot over 50% in both of those contests. Why do I bring that up? Kansas led the nation in field goal percentage defense. 4-0 against the spread their last 4 games against Big 12 opponents. That, of course, is the Michigan Wolverines. When looking on the other side, the Kansas Jayhawks, 4-12 their last 16 against the Big Ten. So I definitely recommend taking a look at the Arizona Wildcats +4 against the Ohio State Buckeyes, and also the Michigan Wolverines +2 against the Kansas Jayhawks. This has been another edition of SBR Forum's Madness in March. Cut.